I gave Suno 30 seconds of me singing, badly, in my kitchen.
Singing loud, feeling right. Kitchen beats shining bright.
And it handed me back a full song, in my own voice, that I never recorded. So that's the headline. Suno 5.5 can clone your voice and drop it into any song you make. I had to test it myself, because that's either really cool or really concerning, and I wanted to know which one. Spoiler, it's a bit of both. But voice cloning is just one of 3 things they shipped, and the last one genuinely surprised me. Let me show you how it works, and how mine actually turned out. Okay, so the feature is called Voices, and it was the most requested thing from Suno users. Here's the simple version. You record a sample of your voice, or upload one you already have, and Suno builds a voice model out of it. Once that model exists, you can use it in any song you generate. So instead of some random Suno singer on your track, it sounds like you. That's the pitch. So how do you actually hand Suno your voice? Head to the Suno site and open the Create menu. 2 quick heads ups before you get excited. Voices is a paid feature Pro at $10 a month or Premier at $30. Free tier doesn't get it. And it's not live in every country yet, so if you can't find the button, that might be why, not you. Also 18 and up only. Right, you'll see a section called Voices. Click Create Voice. From there, you can record live, upload a file, or pull audio from your Suno library. I went with upload, since I already had a clip of myself singing. Couple of tips here. Record in a quiet room. No people talking, no fan humming in the background. And go for at least 30 seconds, because the longer the sample, the closer the model gets. Here's a nice touch. If your clip has backing music on it, Suno strips the vocals out for you automatically. Then you trim it down to just the clean part you want. Next, you tick a box confirming it's your own voice and not some artist's. That part matters, so don't skip it. Suno then makes you read a phrase on screen to prove the voice is really yours. Read it, hit the check, and it matches you against your sample. Give it a name, and you're done. One thing worth knowing, voices made from your own recordings stay private. They live in your profile and you can't make them public. Fair enough, honestly, so the voice exists. What happens when you actually put it in a song? Now the fun part. In the model menu, I picked the latest version 5.5. I wrote some lyrics, dropped a vibe into the style box, and hit the little magic wand to sharpen up the prompt. Then I opened more options, and this is the setting that matters most. There's an audio influence slider. It controls how hard the song leans into your actual voice. And here's the tip that'll save you. Crank it up. Suno's own docs literally say to keep this one high, and everyone who's tested it lands around 80 to 85 for a first run. Leave it low, and you'll get a vaguely U-shaped stranger, and wonder what the hype was about. I went with 85. Title, Create, and it spits out 2 songs using your voice. So here's my original sample, the rough kitchen take. And here's what Suno spat back out. Same voice. Clean delivery. Writing a beat I never sang over in my life. My honest verdict? It's not a note-perfect clone, and the limiting factor isn't Suno, it's your sample. Quiet, narrow, mumbly input gets you a quiet, narrow, mumbly clone. It mirrors whatever you feed it. I ran it lower too, just to compare, and that's the mistake most people are going to make. Down at the bottom of the slider, it barely sounds like you. Push past 90 and it can get a bit stiff. 80 to 90 is the pocket. And if you're thinking, okay, cloning my voice is neat, but is that really it? No. This is where it gets interesting. Remember at the start, I mentioned Suno shipped more than one feature? Here's the bonus round. First, custom models. Instead of just cloning your voice, you upload your own catalog, at least 6 songs you own the rights to, and Suno trains a version of itself on your whole sound. It takes about 2 to 5 minutes, and you can keep up to 3 of them. I fed it 9 of mine and named it Desert Valkyrie. And last one, My Taste. Over time, Suno watches what you make and what you skip, then builds a profile of your preferences. Think custom instructions in ChatGPT, but for music. It uses that to suggest prompts that actually sound like you. Cool features? Sure. But here's the real question. Is this magic? Almost. It's not a flawless voice double, and it probably shouldn't be. So that's Suno 5.5. Voice cloning, custom models, and a taste profile, all in one update. Quick one before you go. Which of these are you trying first? Tell me in the comments, you know I read them. If this kind of thing is your jam, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.